Hi guys, it's me, Quayla. So today I'm going to be talking to you guys about some new products that I found from Beauty Blender. I wanted to share them with you because I haven't seen anybody really talking about these, or I haven't really seen them kind of populated a lot. So I've decided to grab them and talk to you guys about them. So the first thing that I got from Beauty Blender, it's the Beauty Blender Keep It Clean Cleansing Mitt for a fast and deep clean. Now it says, say goodbye to the dirty blender and brushes and hello to the new cleaning routine. It's so easy to clean your beauty blender and brushes in the palm of your hand. Our cleansing mitt features exclusive textured material designed to clean but not tear your blender. So guys, I wanted to go ahead and pick this up. This is actually one of the several Beauty Blender products that I picked up from hsn.com when I saw them. They were my first time even seeing them. I didn't know they had them. And of course, we already know that these little cleaner things, you can get those super cheap on Ali and everything. But I figured let's try the Beauty Blender one because it's Beauty Blender. And let's just be bougie and try it out, okay? So in addition to the Beauty Blender, I did also get another cleansing thing too that is very similar but just slightly different, and I got that just to test the two side by side to see which one works better. We'll do that on another video. So when I open the box, I'm just gonna pull this out here, and this is what you get. Oh, okay, that's what they were talking about. The liquid blender cleanser. This is a trial right here, and it says cleanse regularly and replace your beauty blender every 3 months for the best bounce. Okay, see, I never even knew that. So anyway, it just has how to wear, and it gives you instructions on how to use it and everything like that. And this is what you get. You get a solid, and you get the Beauty Blender cleansing mitt. Now in the instructions, it shows you how to wear it. This is how you put it on in the instruction. So you just put it on like this, and then when you go to clean your brushes, you just kind of do like this, and of course you use it with the soap, and that helps you to get a better cleansing out of your brushes. So it's kind of thick. It has Beauty Blender on the back. It's kind of thick as far as it feels like a good piece of rubber, you know what I mean? That's gonna work well. And so I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna give this a try, and then I will certainly come back and show you guys how I use it and what I think about this here. So the next thing that I got from Beauty Blender is the Beauty Blender Surface Simple. I wanted to get this because you know how I always end up having to mix my foundation on the back of my hand, and I'm kind of getting tired of that because I still, you know what I mean, washing your hands and, you know, having to scrub that back off, you know what I mean? So I figured if I got something like this, that would help me not having to use my hand when I mix my foundation, and I thought that would be a little bit more sanitary. And just in case I do somebody else's makeup or something like that, I can always use this instead of using the back of my hand, and I just felt like that would just be more sanitary. So I'm gonna go ahead and read this. Now it says, the Surface Simple, your beautiful workspace. No more backhanded makeup mixing. Exactly what I was thinking about. And here it is. It gives you a place to customize and experiment like a professional makeup artist. Hold the clear palette up to the skin for fast color matching of the foundation blend. Ooh, I never even thought about using it like that, so that's awesome. And then it says sleek, new modern compact with a snap tight lid. It makes travel simple. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up. I'm excited about this, honestly. It kind of feels heavy, and you know, it's just exciting. So
let me open this bad boy up so we can find out what it do. What it do, 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 what it do.
I'm like, really?
Ooh, ooh, it's like when you get a new gadget. Ooh. So I'm gonna have to keep this for my kids, you know what I mean? Because they're gonna be trying to be all up on this.
Oh my gosh, look at this little thing. It's like, oh my gosh. Okay, so it has this little rubber thing on it, on the outside of it. I'm just gonna take that off. Okay, and then, oh, it's like a palette almost. Look, it's almost like a palette.
Whoa.
Oh, it has a house.
Oh, that's awesome.
Hold on, let me see what I'm doing here. Hold your horses. What are we doing? Okay, I don't know what's happening here. It's not coming out. Okay, so I guess it comes with this little thing, this little mixer or spatula thing that you use to mix the colors, which is good. And then
3 hours later.
I'm trying to pull this bad boy out. It is not budging. Oh, there it is. There it is. It's moving. It's moving.
Oh, good. Good, good, good. It worked. Oh, so look at this. You just, oh, awesome. And it's super clear. So like it said, you can put it up against the skin to color match for the, you know, for people when you're working on someone. So I really, really like this little gadget here. I will end up putting the price of everything on the screen somewhere. It's very cool. Like, honestly, I mean, you're not supposed to use it like that, but it's very cool. I really think I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this because I really don't like using the back of my hand. I'm gonna love this bad boy right here. And the fact that it has a home, oh my God, that is so cute. The fact that it has a home, I think, is probably the best thing for me. And even this little thing, this little guy, you just slide him in there, slide this little guy in there, and boom, home. Home. Hold on, let me get this to work here first. Okay, that's not happening. So let's see, let's try this,
Boom, 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 boom. We did it, we did it, we did it. Okay, boom. We did it, boom.
So you just slide that in there, you put this in here on the thing, and it has a home.
I love this. I think this is the cutest little thing. It has a home, like a real home. So, this is gonna be so exciting. I can't wait to get to use this thing. I'm so excited to try it out.
I'm even gonna house it back in this little thing until the first time I try it. I feel like I'm gonna be like a professional, you know, when I do my makeup and stuff, y'all, professional stuff, hold my little palette, you know what I mean, do my little makeup and stuff. So I'm excited to try this out. Again, I did get this from HSN, and I will let you guys know the price of the item. I think this is such a cool thing. Oh my God, I really love this. So Beauty Blender did a great job with this idea. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. So after that, I also picked up the Beauty Blender liquid cleanser. Now I do have solids that I have from, you know, whenever I get Beauty Blender packages or whatever. I didn't even know that they had the liquid cleanser, so I decided to get this also because, hey, why not? We're trying out all kind of Beauty Blender stuff. I don't know if you know, but I purchased the Beauty Blender Pro, Beauty Blender Pro on the Go set. The Pro on the Go set comes with an original Beauty Blender, a Beauty Blender Pro, a little mini blender, charcoal solid, and the Blotterazzi. As you can see, most of the stuff is still in the package except the Beauty Blender Pro. It's somewhere around here, boo. This package actually costs $40 at HSN. It's literally got 2 full-size beauty blenders in here. Beauty blenders cost $20 at Sephora. So when you can get the Blotterazzi, 2 beauty blenders, a solid, and one of those mini blenders for $40, you actually are really saving. So whenever they come out with these, I keep an eye out for it. I have it on my favorites list because who doesn't want to get a deal on Beauty Blender? So after I purchased this, a few weeks down the line, I went and looked again to see what else they had, and I noticed that Beauty Blender had these new items. Kind of, you know, pick a couple things just to show you guys. I will be giving you guys a full review on this, how this works along with the cleansing mitt as well. So I'll probably use these both together, why not, so you guys can see if the liquid and the thing together has any, I mean, they shouldn't, but you know what I mean, like any increase and improvement in workability when you use them together. So I'm super excited about these new things that I got from Beauty Blender, guys. So I wanted to share them with you guys ASAP, as soon as I could, because if you can get the opportunity to go and grab these things, if it's something that you're interested in, I wanted to share it with you guys so you can see it as well. Super excited about the surface thing, okay? Like, I'm feeling like a pro makeup artist here, okay? It makes me feel like if I decide to go with starting to offer my service as a makeup artist, this is gonna make me feel like you're really doing it. I even have the Luminous airbrush machine. I was like, okay, with the airbrush machine, you know what I mean? Like, okay, you know, I can be a little bougie. But with this, I really feel like, okay, now you made it. I'm not even a makeup artist or anything. I could, you know, always pick that up if I wanted to make a little extra money. And so I kind of considered it because I thought, well, shit, why not? You know what I mean? Like, anyway, I'm really super excited about these new products that I got from Beauty Blender. This is not a sponsored video at all. Everything in this video I purchased and I paid for on my own. But again, I was super excited about the new products that Beauty Blender has, because for a long time, Beauty Blender only had Beauty Blender and then the you know, the Beauty Blender things, the Blotterazzi and stuff like that. And now that they've gotten, they pretty much expanded their line to a whole bunch of new stuff. And I just thought it would be great to just kind of talk about those things, try them out, see how we like them, and just go from there. So guys, I definitely hope that showing you these things, either you found something new that interests you, or you gotta laugh at some of my shenanigans in this video. Just give this video a like. Don't forget to comment down below if you have any of these items. Please tell me how you like to use them. If you use them, do you like them? Do you like the soap, the new liquid soap? Does it work for you, or do you stick with your old, your old school, your old reliable sources of cleansing your brushes? So I was just really, I was excited that Beauty Blender had some cool products, and I was like, well, shit, let's go on and get it then, you know what I mean? So I just wanted to share that with you guys. I really want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to give me a great big thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.